Well, we'll show you what is inside our auto emergency torchlight. You can see my hand light. This is a box. Deep LED light, LED rechargeable emergency light. DP-716B. There were 30 LEDs, SMD ones, and 30 milliamp hour. Back for this torchlight. Although I already opened the screw before starting the video and mount with tape because there are lots of screws. When opening in video takes too long, so that's why I already opened the screw. Now I remove the tape. So there are like, I am not sure what is inside because first place the tape and after remove the screw. So I cannot fully open, just open screw. So they are well opening it. So what is see inside? So inside reveal the LED panel. This is SMD LED panel, and this is a huge battery power. Although this is a batteries, but I already opened some LEDs in previous days, but there are use this type of batteries with 4 or 3, but this is a very big battery, single battery, and their power supply. I'm a power supply module and LED SMD. Just open it. We can see there are slide switch. Capacitor dropper, which is the paper capacitance, and full bridge rectifier, discharge resistors, and there are some rectifier diodes and smoothing capacitors and transistors, NPN or intensity limited switch. And now those circuit first. So those circuit, there are power supply. It is a cheap based or cheap main power supply. It is not isolated with mains. Live dose this capacitor 155J 250 volt 155J mean 1.5 microfarad capacitor to rectifier, and this 390 kilo resistor for parallel with capacitor, because when remove this torchlight with main power for after charging after remove plug people, and some people can touching about the switch probes or switch leads. They not receive electrical shock because this capacitor can charge the store. This resistor help to discharge this capacitor quietly with shorting people. And there's a rectifier, rectifier basic convert AC to DC, so it's same voltage right there, AC to DC. They are made of diodes 1 and 477 to make. All the circuit is 1 and 477, and this capacitor which is under microfarad for stable output voltage. So although there are 4.5 volts because 4.8 volt battery, 2 volt extra for this power supply, so there are only 5 volt is terming this 2 point, and those with other diode to battery, because this diode acts like a valve to protect battery voltage flow to the capacitor, because otherwise it is discharge the battery. So there are charging indicator with AC 1 kilo ohm with LED and capacitor to DC side. What happened when voltage flow neutral and 1 kilo ohm limit pattern, and this LED acts like a diode to convert AC to DC, as well as a light emitting diode, which means it is also light charging indicator indicate plus also convert rectified, and this capacitor then charge. When the capacitor is charged, charging time or battery charging time is same. So when battery is fully charged, meaning same time the capacitor is fully charged, and when the capacitor is fully charged, capacitor then bridge these two terminals together, meaning there are this LEDs turn on. And same way, there one circuit I already previously tell one my previous videos. There are solar cells charging system type circuit, meaning there are the supply positive before the one-way diode to do this resistor 1 kilo ohm to this transistor, and this transistor is NPN transistor D965 NPN transistor. So this is pulled up this transistor base to positive, and this transistor pull the negative to collector to emitter to this transistor base negative charge, and this can conduct negative voltage to these LEDs, and LEDs turn on when their power is present. Same time when this capacitor is charging, this voltage is dropped because voltage can go only this resistor to this capacitor, and this capacitor charged by these side and these side voltages. So this is no more voltage left this point, so it cannot trigger by this transistor, and this transistor cannot active. When this is not active, this other resistor is pulled up 1 kilo ohm pulled by LED positive to this transistor positive, and this transistor cannot flow voltage like to collector to emitter, emitter to collector. And same time there are battery positive that to 1 ohm or 3 ohm intensity control resistance. These two resistors, other side is connected to slide switch, but I made a push switch, but there are slide switch. When slide switch common point is connected where RLED is positive and common side normally closed side for one resistor and normally open for other side resistor. So when then slide upward, so it voltage pass with 1 ohm 1 watt resistor and otherwise 3 ohm 1 watt resistance. So it is limit the current. So there it increase or decrease the intensity. RLED is positive. So first it is a 30 LEDs. There were 3 roses and each line 10 LEDs. RLED is negative to common to the other to collector, and RLED positive common to the other with upper line with this wire, and downer is there and also down will there, and all to bridge with the positive with slide switch. So what there are all the circuit of this torchlight. So you can see there are 3 wires. All these are battery, acid battery. So there is no need any protection, and this capacitor for the output voltage and this for charging time calculation, and this is the main capacitor drop. Although this is a jet build, so circuit cannot show jet build because when you can see there are jet, but this circuit is not jet because this circuit I can download by internet or made this diagram in paper. So internet circuit is very messy, but I made it clearly in circuit, so it is easy to explain. So there cannot show a jet, but jet between this capacitor side, but parallel with this capacitor, because positive to jet positive and jet negative to the capacitor negative. So when you power those their battery, but battery power cannot flow back, and there's a circuit first 4.8 volt battery, but charge voltage is 5 volt. I'll show you. So there are analog voltmeter, because you may know my multimeter is damaged, so I need an analog meter about a month. But this thing I'm telling you, this is a no transformer less power supply use. This power supply is used for bulbs and insulated things. So this power supply is an 100% chance of electric short. There's 100% guarantee, 100% guarantee to electrical short. So be careful, don't touch any side. So make sure it is charging. I think it is charging. So now I'm show voltage. This is a total alligator clip. This wire is insulator, large insulator, so it is not damaged at all. But be carefully. Now made a voltage for battery. So you can see on analog voltmeter, voltage is 5 volt. Well, battery voltage is 4.8 volt. Start it to charge. It is also built on solar panel circuit. You can use additional solar power to charge this battery when it is needed. Now it turn test. So we can see any one wire for battery right now. Anyone. Just for trunk test. Although this light says, manual says it is a 1 amp, 13 milliamp hour light. So meaning it is 1300 milliamp hour. It can twice a 10 or 15 hours light. But problem is this light cannot work with approximately half and 1 hour. So that's why I am thinking to change a battery inside. But when I open it, so I can see this battery is a huge battery which replaced mine. I can buy this battery. It is so small with this original battery. So I won't change the battery. I am thinking to check how much current while battery is need to charge. So this current meter is required. Ammeter or multimeter is also built a current clamp. If you have current clamp, you cannot cut a wire. Just clamp it with one of wire. So this case I touch positive wire. You can touch any one battery wire. So positive side is connected to the red side of the transmitter, and other side is connected to the negative side of battery positive connected to ammeter negative. And be carefully plugged in because checking everything, noting anything is not short to a circuit, otherwise it may pop out. So while it's charged, just accidentally I can connect a battery cannot gain a power. Now turn on the power. So it is charged with only. So charge current is very lower, meaning this torchlight needs lots of time to charge because it is this charge current for. So meaning it can take up to 13 or 14 hours to charge, and this charge time 1 hour, which is in reality same because it is in reality it can also it is very charge and twice time is automatically discharged. So there is no problem, but there is low lifespan. You may I am already seen a back post black. I mean this torchlight. There are something like 13 milliamps, meaning 1.3 milliamps with 1.3 amps. So it is 10. This LED this LEDs can strip. So just clear, and I can join this wire back. Although this time if power is turned off, keep in mind power is turned off, no power on. Well, power is on, it may damage. Always turn off power before changing something. So just tape exposed wire panel. So this test is battery current can drop by battery. Use it. Let's tape it first. So all just simple circuit. So just one little wire is remaining installation is not proper. So now I can. So this test it is maybe fine, and there when see this is a normal light. Always there are two versions. It is also a THD LED panel or SMD LED panel. It is only. Keep in mind one more thing. Tell you the before you move switch. When power supply, why it's all this power supply is also not safe, because when you plug this proper plug with AC line, so also no isolation, but this thing is not in series, meaning and this on circuit there are voltage in this point. When you plug in, you may not show phase or neutral. This AC switch is no matter it is polarity. When polarity is wrong, that may be live term this wire and the live directly rectified by this rectifier and smooth by this capacitor. You can touch it, your body can present ground, so you can ground is neutral. If you can at this point, when you can receive nasty shot. So this power supply is dangerous, but there are main rule for this power supply. You can connect a phase to this point, neutral to this point. But AC switch are no matter Mars or metal, or there's no anything want to tell which one is neutral and which way live. You can plug both ways, light this way or this way. Both ways, it is 50% chances to make terms live this or live this. If live this, it may be safe because 1.5 volt capacitor in series. It is a non-polar capacitor. All capacitor is polar, but just only this single capacitor is not polar. So it's polar, it can block extra high voltage to pass. It can pass only few volts according to capacitor capacity. There is a formula or special time I am add a description of the video. What is formula to calculate the capacitance of the capacitor to output voltage. This capacitor acts like a resistor. Resistor is basically used to limit the current. This capacitor is used as this paper capacitor used as a limit the voltage. So there are same volt. Both resistors is used to limit the current. Capacitor is used to limit the voltage. Only paper capacitor, non-polar capacitor. And this is a simple little circuit. And if you have any idea what project I want to make with this torchlight, let me know. Or what. So there are these two resistors for brightness control, and these are two transistors. I previously tell on my one video a solar charger circuit, same circuit is used there to turn on off this unit, because there is a special feature when I plugged, and so you can see at present light is turned on. When I turn on the power, light is turned off. So this automatic feature, this circuit is not. Look, circuit is arcing. When I turn off the power, first example, so light is turned on. Well, turn off the power, turn on the power, light is turned off, meaning, well, it's connected to the on state. It can plug in with charging mode. It is cannot turn on. Well, light is though automatically it can turn on. So meaning when it is charging, when it's charging, it is save the power, not turn on every time. It is turn on only when light is down. When light is on, it is automatically turn on. If you can turn on the switch. And this is a small project, a smaller little tear down. And if you have any idea what project I want made for this, maybe I can use a battery for my power bank, which I can decide to build, or if I made a LED control at or something other thing. If you have any project about this light, you can tell me on comment. And this video can be done next to